Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to build a completely hidden secret fireplace entrance for your home. All the materials will be listed in the description below. You're going to need a 4x2 area. You're going to need a little bit more room depending on if you want a good design or not for your fireplace. And you're going to want to dig 4 down. This is going to be the front of the area. Drop down to your hole. Place 3 redstone dust like so. 2 observers looking into the redstone dust. A block, redstone dust. A repeater set to 4 ticks. 2 sticky pistons facing upwards, 2 observers facing into the repeater and redstone dust, an observer facing into this redstone dust, a sticky piston right here, then fill in these 4 blocks, then drop into your hole, and place 3 observers facing upwards. And that's the door fully built. To use the door, just use a shovel and right click on the campfire. This will extinguish the fire, allowing you to go into your secret base. If you want to close the door, just use a flint and steel to relight the fire, and the door will close behind you. Now what you have to do is create the design for your campfire. Then once you've designed your campfire, all you have to do is walk up to it, extinguish the fire, and crouch on through, allowing you into your secret base. Once you exit your secret base, just relight the campfire, and no one is the wiser. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, it would really help the channel a lot. I'll see you in the next one, thanks for watching.